this video is about how to initially configure this Xiaomi robot vacuum model S20. I am creating this video on the request of one of my viewer who has asked me to create this initial configuration video. So without delay, let's get into it. First, okay, I have already configured it, but I have reset it so that I can do it from the beginning. So first thing what we have to do is like all the cables. This is a docking station that it is connected in with the power, and then this is the vacuum. So you cannot turn off because putting if it's connected to the docking station, that's what I found. Okay, so you have to take it out in order to turn it off. Now to turn it on, you just simply press the power button. Okay, power button. Okay, and there we go. Okay, so it will be on. So now from onwards, since it is reset to the factory setting, first we in order to configure
turning on.
Okay. So in order to configure, we have to connect to the vacuum's local network or Wi-Fi. So for that, we have to go to the Wi-Fi settings on the phone and connect to its network. Let's do that. Now go to the Wi-Fi or wireless settings in the phone and look for the Xiaomi Wi-Fi name or SSID. But I noticed that for some reason, for the first time when you configure, you will not see the name Xiaomi Wi-Fi name. So the best thing to the solution is to reset the wireless setting of the Xiaomi vacuum one more time. You have to press the power button and the home button simultaneously for 7 seconds. Okay, to do that, home and power and home. Okay, here we go.
Resetting the Wi-Fi
Okay.
connection and entering network configuration mode.
Okay, so as you heard, so it is resetting its Wi-Fi and entering to the network configuration mode. Okay, so for that, in order to see whether it has broadcasted its broadcasted its Wi-Fi name or SSID, go back to the Wi-Fi settings of the phone, and there you see now the Xiaomi Vacuum D1 as you see at the bottom. So now you can see the hotspot or the local Wi-Fi of the Xiaomi Vacuum. Now you have to connect to it in order to configure further. For that, you have to download this Mi Home application from Xiaomi in order to proceed with the setup. I will not go on the detail how to download Mi Home and configure. So as you can see now, once you connected it, it will open the main home page, and there you have to connect to the device. Okay, so in this case it's asking me for to turn on the Bluetooth for some reason, so I cannot connect. So just follow the instruction what the applications need. Turn on the things whatever is asking in order to resolve any issues. So once you turn on the Bluetooth, as you can see the Xiaomi robot vacuum is detected, and we can proceed with the initial configuration, accept all the terms and conditions that it asks you to for the smooth configuration, so which I am doing it, agreeing. You don't have any other option. So once you do that, it will again ask you to now connect to your personal Wi-Fi. Okay, so now to do that you have to go back and select your personal Wi-Fi network. Okay, in my case is the second one, LHN1. So that's the one you have to connect now. By this time the Xiaomi has already been configured to my local network or the Wi-Fi. It's no more. We cannot configure the Xiaomi by using the Xiaomi's Wi-Fi. It has to be now the Xiaomi vacuum is on the local network, in my personal network. So I also have to connect. You also have to connect to your personal network back to your personal network or the home network that you were using before. So once you connect it back, now you can start adding the Xiaomi vacuum in the applications, and you can further proceed with the configuration. Okay, this is it's asking again. So just select the network, your personal network, and connect to it. Okay, once you do that, now
Connected successfully.
so now it says we are connected successfully in our home network. Okay, in your home network, in my case, my personal home Wi-Fi. Okay, so now, so as you can see, it immediately starts to connect to the network, uh, and as soon as it's done, then you will get this first landing page. So on this main page, you can create the new groups, or you can add your devices to the existing group. So in my case, just for the demo, I have created the dining room and added the Xiaomi into that group. The names, that it's up to you how you want to name it. I leave it as default and just proceed with the basic config. And the good thing is also, like, you can share this device with your friends and family, okay, so they can also control this device anywhere from the world, as long as you have internet. So that's the reason why I bought this one. You can connect it from anywhere as long as you have internet, for the remote control, for the remote management. So just follow the prompt and accept it, or give access whatever you want. It's the preference is up to you. So I basically agree with all these terms because I don't want to have any issues during the configuration. So best idea is to let as accept the anything it asks, except if there is a concern with the privacy, okay, a security thing. So this is just basic. You just follow the instruction and wait, let it finish the configuration. So once you do that, this is the main the page, home page, that you see the status of the Xiaomi vacuum. So as you can see, the battery is full and blah blah blah, and there is this one, dock and charged, okay, and start. So this is the button that if you press dock and charge, it will return to the station. If you press start, it will start cleaning or start vacuuming, start vacuuming the room. Okay, so this is the information overview of the basic information of status of the Xiaomi vacuum. So one thing that I like to talk about is in my this I've been using it for a week. So I found is like I only use for the vacuuming purpose. So the mode I've set is to the vacuuming, and I find more effective when you use it on the turbo mode. Standard and silent is okay, but it doesn't sucks the dirt in the carpet or in the floor that efficiently, or that good compared to the if you put in the turbo mode. But the one drawback of the turbo mode is that it consumes a lot of battery, that instead of giving 3 hours or 2 hours, it will give you only 1 hour. But in my requirement, that is enough because I have a not that big room to clean it. So I recommend that if you want to have a effective vacuuming, choose the turbo, or you can choose the settings accordingly to your needs. But just to give you the informations and the settings that I have, choose the turbo settings. So, but it's up to you. So on this overview, one thing is that the Xiaomi vacuum, it has the sensor, and it automatically maps the map of the room. Okay, as you can see. So this is the how it maps automatically the room's map, and when it needs it when you press the return and charge and dock, it will find its path automatically to the docking station. There you go. Okay, so this is the, if you press the dock to charge station, so it will start looking for the, because it has the sensor on the top. This is the one sensor, so it will automatically sense the location of docking station, and it will go and put in the dock, and then it will charge. Okay, so there we go. So it will try to readjust again if it doesn't succeed in the one time, the first time. So there we go. So there we go. Okay,
Starting to charge.
there we go. Also, it will start. Okay, so this is on the toggle mode. It makes noise, but this is the one. Okay, you see, it's sensing itself. So I'm gonna set it to the. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video has been useful and informative to you, and you can configure the Xiaomi vacuum by yourself. And if you have any questions, I suggest that you can go to the Xiaomi official site for further configuration and the accurate information. I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly please share, subscribe. I need subscribers. Thank you guys.